Hello everyone, welcome to my 17th tutorial of Lumion version 11. This is Mayuri Wag. In previous tutorial, we discussed how to adding watercolor effect in the Lumion. In this tutorial, we'll see the movie mode. In the Lumion's movie mode, we need to start by creating clip using the three options mentioned earlier, and once we have finished recording and creating these clips, we can affect so we have two options. Just click on movie mode. Here is the opening the window. Here is the realistic effect, as you can see. For the benefit of here is that we have the opportunity to give a specific attention to each section of this movie mode, but the disadvantage is that we might have used the same effect in several clips, which means we have to copy and paste the effect over and over. By considering all the clips into a movie, the advantage is here that we can opportunity to use effect with consistency throughout the movie, but it doesn't allow it have accurate control in specific section of all the movie. After adding this effect, we can start working with animation, which means we have to use a specific effect found in Lumion. Once have already prepared, we can check the edit clip and finally export the whole lots of movie file or sequence of image. Here is the movie mode options. To start this movie mode, record option. In this option is only one that gives you access to scene recording in Lumion. In second is image. Click on this image button, load in the image that can be used to part of the movie. But you need to keep in mind that image imported need is to match the resolution of the movie. Movie from file. This load to MPEG-4 video that can be used as section of this movie. Then motive and the need to create a storyboard. A storyboard, a graphical representation of how your video will flow, and it can look something like this. Here is entire movie option. Here is scroll left button to scroll your adding effect. Then rendering your clip, remove your clip, and then edit your clip. Here is the sky option. Here is the precipitation option. Here is visibility option. Then mass movie. You can change it one by one. So remaining part we will discuss in next video. Thank you.